Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning bank layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the bank layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from this layout pack. As you can notice, it has a very modern and clean feeling, which absolutely matches the kind of layout pack this is. And you can use all of these layouts without any restrictions, and even for commercial purposes, including all of the icons that you can notice over here and all of the images as well. Now let's take a look at the landing page as well, and then we'll switch over to mobile and tablet view so you can see what it looks like on smaller screen sizes. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from the landing page, and let's just enable the visual builder at the top over here. And if I click on this icon located at the bottom of my page, I will be able to switch over to tablet view and mobile view in just one click, and this will allow you to see that the layout pack looks equally as good on smaller screen sizes as it does on desktop. So this is the tablet view. It looks really stunning. I love the color palette of this layout pack, and you can expect a beautiful design on mobile as well. Alright, so if you want to take a look at all of these layouts without actually having to install them on your website, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts, and over here you will see all of the layout packs, so you are free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the bank layout pack, which is the most recent one over here, and if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download, or you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button, and this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of these layouts for yourself, and then afterwards use them once you decide to do so by going back to your WordPress website. And over here, when you enable the visual builder on one of your pages, you can click on the plus icon within your menu over here, and then go to the pre-made layouts. And over here you can find all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down again until you come across the bank layout pack, click on it, and over here you can choose one of these layouts and then click on the green button which says use this layout, and this will change the entire content of your page, and you can get started, modify everything to your needs. So you can use Divi's visual builder for that, obviously, and for instance you can change all of the content that's within the modules. Or you can play around with Divi's efficiency features, which will help you change a layout entirely in just a few clicks. So you can change the font that's being used, for instance, and let me demonstrate that. So I'm just going to open this module over here, and I'll go to the heading text settings. And over here I can see the font that is being used, and if I want to change that throughout my entire page, I can just right click over here, click on find and replace, and over here you can see the font that's being used, and you can replace it with any font of your choice. So I'm just going to pick a random one, and then I'm also going to enable this option which says replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading 2 font. And if I do that, all of the heading fonts throughout my page will be changed, and I will have an entire new look and feel. So as you can notice, it only takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout and page. And go ahead and play around with all of Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to create your own kind of layout, your own kind of website using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.